The last living dragon, only in Indonesia. The Komodo dragon is more than just a big lizard. It's the true ruler of Indonesia's barren islands. Living on Komodo Island, Rinca Island, Flores Island, and surrounding areas, the Komodo dragon is known as the largest lizard in the world. It can grow to over 3 meters long and weigh over 70 kilograms. With its stocky body, whip-like tail, and sharp claws, it looks like a dinosaur that survived a standstill. Despite its slow appearance, the Komodo dragon can sprint for short periods of time when hunting. Their existence only in Indonesia makes them a national treasure that must be protected. Many people think that Komodo dragons kill their prey because their saliva is dirty. In the past, it was believed that this was due to the bacteria in their mouths. But it turns out scientists have discovered that Komodo dragons have real poison in their saliva. The poison causes the prey's blood pressure to drop and makes their blood unable to clot. The result? The prey slowly passes out, and the Komodo dragon simply waits from afar while lurking. It's a patient and efficient hunter. Uniquely, Komodo dragons are not affected by their own venom and can eat their carcasses without stomach upset. They are truly natural killing machines. Komodo dragons have very flexible jaws and elastic stomachs, so they can swallow prey as big as deer, whole. They bite, hold, and then tear with their sharp, serrated teeth. After their prey is dead, Komodo dragons will slowly swallow it, including the bones and skin. To help digestion, they will bask in the sun to speed up the process. One meal can keep a Komodo dragon full for weeks. And when hungry, don't be surprised if they also eat carcasses, even other Komodo dragons. Brutal, but that's how nature works. Female Komodo dragons have an amazing ability. They can lay eggs without being fertilized by a male. This phenomenon is called parthenogenesis. In the absence of a male, the female's egg cells can develop into embryos on their own. But all offspring resulting from parthenogenesis will be born male. This is nature's strategy if the Komodo population starts to dwindle. However, if there are males, Komodos can still reproduce normally. Isn't it amazing? Nature seems to have created a backup plan in case of emergency. Not many large animals in the world can do this. When baby Komodos are born, they immediately face danger from their own mothers. Adult Komodos can be cannibals and prey on their young. To survive, baby Komodos immediately pick trees after hatching. Up there, they live safely, eating insects, bird eggs, and sometimes small lizards. They will live in trees until they are big and strong enough to come down and fight on the ground. Their survival instincts are very strong from day one. They know that the Komodo world is harsh and there is no room for weakness. Komodos live in hot, barren, and difficult environments. Dry grasslands, small tropical forests, and rocky hillsides. High temperatures and minimal air are not a problem for Komodos. They can withstand hunger and fatigue for long periods of time and sunbathe to absorb energy. This harsh environment is what makes Komodo dragons formidable predators. They do not need luxury to survive, just strategy, strength, and high condition. They are proof that harsh nature actually creates extraordinary creatures. Although they look like ancient, heartless animals, Komodo dragons have the ability to recognize humans through smell and sight. They can distinguish between repeat visitors and strangers. Some national park rangers even believe that Komodo dragons can recognize their guards. However, make no mistake, Komodo dragons are still lying predators. They can attack if they feel disturbed or hungry. So even though they look silent, Komodo dragons are always observing, assessing, and ready to act. In nature, not all silence is tame. Komodo dragons do not smell with their noses like we do. Instead, they stick out their forked tongues like snakes to taste the smells in the air. The tongue collects particles and sends them to a special organ on the roof of their mouths called the Jacobson's organ. From there, Komodo can know the direction of prey, its distance, and even the type of animal that is walking from afar. This sense is very sharp. It can even detect a carcass from 5 kilometers away. The Komodo tongue is not just a tool for eating, but also a natural GPS that guides it to food. Komodo dragons are one of the few prehistoric creatures still alive today. They have been around for millions of years, and they have been a testament to evolution. Their strong physique, fierce hunting mentality, and high adaptability have allowed them to survive through the ages. Their bodies carry DNA from the past, connecting the modern world to the prehistoric world. Seeing a Komodo dragon in the wild is like seeing the remains of dinosaurs that still walk the earth. They are not just animals, they are living legends. Despite their strong and intimidating appearance, Komodo dragons are on the verge of extinction. Their habitat is shrinking due to climate change and human activity. There are only about 3,000 left in the wild, and most of them live in conservation areas. If we don't take care of them, these incredible creatures could be lost forever. That's why Komodo Island is heavily guarded, and rangers are working hard to protect them. Komodo dragons are not just part of Indonesia. They are a world heritage. When you see one, remember that you are looking at a rare creature that is fighting to stay alive.